Hey guys, welcome back to another video where I'm bringing you some cryptocurrency news or an article I find that is well worth sharing with you guys. So here we go. This is from the Divi blog posted earlier today, and it is on what is Web 3.0. So this is a good article just to hopefully help explain it a little more as we progress into this new future technology that's slowly being adopted. So here we go. To those building it, Web 3.0 represents the next phase of the internet, one we can all be a part of. So, very nice. So what is Web 3? At the most basic level, Web 3.0 refers to a decentralized online ecosystem based on the blockchain. Platforms and apps built on Web 3 aim not to be owned by a central medium, but rather by their users. To those building it, Web 3 represents the next phase of the internet, one we can all be a part of. Web 1.0 and 2.0. Web 1.0 refers to the decentralized open protocols in which most online activity involves navigating to individual static web pages. Web 2.0, which we're currently experiencing, could be defined by the massive share of communication taking place on platforms owned by a handful of powerful global corporations, Google, Facebook, Amazon, etc., who are all subject to centralized governments and regulators. Web 3.0 seeks to break the world free of such control, delivering a more highly connected yet decentralized version of accessible to all. Now, Web 3.0 and building on the failures of Web 2.0. 1. Decentralization. Web 3.0 is built, operated, and maintained by its users. They're usually self-organizing and lack a central point of failure or control. Additionally, they're open source, meaning anyone's help to build up upon the shared infrastructure. This leads to greater freedom of the information, interaction, and participation. 2, we got user empowerment. The user maintains ownership of their personal data and in some cases has options to monetize it. This is distinctly different from Web 2.0, where users' personal information and online habits are sold to the highest bidder. 3, accessibility. Anyone who is on the network has permission to use the service. Permission is not required for anyone to access services, and no one has the ability to deny individuals access. This opens up an ecosystem of world-class financial services to anyone, anywhere. Web 3.0 and decentralized finance. Web 3.0 has paved the way for the DeFi revolution, allowing anyone, anywhere to put their money to work. Without the benefits that blockchain and Web 3.0 offer, DeFi would not be possible. Now anyone with a browser can lend, earn, trade, and swap cryptocurrencies in a totally private way. No need to open up an account with a centralized exchange. Digital wallets and Web 3.0. Much as you would choose a browser to interact with the internet, there are a host of browser-based digital wallets that allow the users to interact with Web 3.0. These wallets are functional interfaces that millions are using to participate in decentralized autonomous organizations, in other words, DAOs, DeFi protocols, NFT marketplaces, and the metaverse. The list goes on. These gateways to Web 3.0 will usher in a new age of crypto wallets, and with it, present different issues. As we move forward as a project, we'll be seeking to develop our own browser extension, allowing Divi Wallet users to participate in the decentralized revolution that is Web 3.0. Alongside features such as our fiat on-ramp and Divi Bridge, the Divi ecosystem will be connected seamlessly to the world of dApps and DeFi. By bringing the functionality to the market with a focus on UX and security, we will be contributing greatly to the next age of crypto and internet, with our crypto made easy principle driving us forward as always. Whew. So yeah, that is Web 3, where it's like you're going to need a wallet to be able to interact with websites. And Divi's being a part of this because like right now the wallets that we have to access like certain websites and be a part of it is usually, let's see, we got Phantom Wallet, there's the MetaMask wallet, and soon to be Divi Wallet. They are working on a browser wallet for the internet because that's what Nick Saponero and the Divi Project team has been telling us in previous announcements. So that's actually pretty cool that they're getting in on the Web3 era because now you have full ownership of everything. Like with Web 1.0 and 2.0, like I think this could have explained it a little bit easier where like Web 1.0 was the reading section of the internet where all you can do was read. But then also it was also like just an era of emails only. So you can send and receive emails and read it. That's it. But then Web 2.0, it did point out that Google, Facebook, Amazon, Instagram, etc. are what Web 2.0 is. It's the reading and writing era of the internet. So you can read data and transcripts, and also you can write and interact with it, such as like the social media platforms where you can send photos to one another, send messages. And now with Web3, we're having ownership. So we got reading, writing, and ownership. And that's where wallets come into play, because each wallet is specific, holds onto your private keys and seed phrases, and that's what gives you access to it. So if you have like an NFT, which will give you access to like a certain website, like with Web 3.0, we have Beta Pass, which we saw recently with the Synapses. We got, what else is there? There's another NFT out there which requires you to have it to gain access. Like Katy Perry, I think, did it. I think that was also with Data. That was like a nostalgic NFT, but that's where NFTs are headed to. Like we're having the next phase of it. It's not more than just artwork. And Divi Project is getting in on that. So this is pretty cool. This was a good article. And I hope you guys got a little bit more of an idea of what Web 3.0 is. If you did, thumbs up this video, share with your friends, just help educate the world. And yeah, let's make crypto the next monetary money of the world. Oh man, I'm out of breath right now. So guys, thanks for watching. Until next time, the Crypto Sherpa is out.